Okay, so you've made it through Unit 1 already. Great job. And if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the community chat. And if not, then let's move ahead. So this is just the intro to Unit 2, and I want to give you a quick overview of what to expect. We're going to be covering 9 different modules, and in each module, we're going to be covering a different element of Italian grammar. Okay, so let's get started. 9 fundamental elements of Italian grammar. Now, depending on who you ask, some instructors say there's more than 9, up to even 15. Some say there's less, even as few as 6 or 7. So what I've come to believe is that there's about 9, and that's just what I think is the most helpful way of organizing the different elements of grammar that you're really going to want to know as a beginner. Okay, I mean, obviously there's way more to learn as you progress, but we're just sticking to the basics. So I've created a little pyramid so that you can see how far you've come and how far you still have to go. So we've already covered the overview of Italian language in Unit 1. Next up is subject pronouns. And then we have verbs, articles, meaning indefinite and definite articles like the, on, things like that. And then we have nouns, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions and connectors, and finally object pronouns, both direct and indirect. Okay, so don't worry if you have no idea what any of these are at this moment. I do go over everything from the very beginning so that there's no confusion. Okay, so don't worry. We're gonna have you covered here. And just so that you are starting to get familiar with the Italian terms for what you're learning, I've also created the pyramid in Italian. So we have 9 elementi fondamentali della grammatica italiana. So the first one, we have the overview is, panoramica della lingua italiana. And then we have pronomi personali soggetto, verbi, articoli, sostantivi, aggettivi, avverbi, preposizioni, congiunzioni e connettori, e finalmente pronomi oggetto diretti e indiretti. Okay, so on we go.